Hey everyone, it's the Investor here. I wanted to show you this Robinhood account that I have. As you can see, I opened this in November, and I am down pretty bad right now at about 50%. That was just me experimenting with options trading. So yeah, that didn't go well, but we are starting a challenge here, and I'm gonna try to turn this $150 that I have here into $1,000 by the end of 2025. Now, what I'm going to be doing is buying stocks for the long term. If y'all know who Jeremy Financial is, I took down some of the positions that he owns, and I'm probably going to be copying a few of those just because I liked the stuff that he was talking about in those videos. So, yeah, my first stock that I'm going to be buying is AMD. Now, I've done a video on AMD, and I really like where they're headed in the next 3 to 5 years. I think their stock price would triple. So, yeah, this is an easy buy, and $40, pretty large chunk of the portfolio. But, yeah, I'm pretty confident in this. The next stock I'll be buying is Nike. Nike has a good dividend that has been growing. Also, their stock is currently down a good amount right now, so it's pretty cheap. And I think that heading into 2025, they're getting a new CEO, so I think big things are about to happen for Nike. So I'm going to buy $30 worth of this stock, and just always make sure you're doing your own research, not just following what I'm doing. Obviously, I make mistakes. You've already seen that. So, yeah, just make sure you're doing your own research. Now, the next stock I'm buying is Meta. Meta has seen some pretty crazy growth this past year, but that doesn't scare me. I mean, Meta's not going to be going anywhere. Instagram and Facebook are powerhouse social medias. And with the incorporation of AI as well, I think that Meta's going to be doing very well. I'm going to be trying to give updates on this account about every week. So just stay up to date, and maybe even if there's a crazy day, I'll upload what's going on. But yeah, for this next stock, Palantir Technologies, it's also seen some pretty crazy growth this past year. Palantir is also starting to work with the government on some projects, so that is always a good sign. I forgot to say this, but I'll also be adding money to this account, about $20 a week. So over the year, $20 a week should be $1,000 plus anyways, regardless of if the stocks go up or down. Now, at the last $19 in this account, I'm just going to be putting it into Bitcoin. I don't know why I have a little bit of Solana. That makes no sense. But yeah, I'll be putting it into Bitcoin. And I know the halving is about to happen, so the Bitcoin price is probably going to drop even further. But I'm not too worried about it. It's only $19, and I think in the future Bitcoin will be well above 100,000, so this won't be a bad investment. I know this was a shorter video, but I really was just buying stocks. It didn't really have too much to show. But if you're excited for this series, consider subscribing and liking.